subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Last week, the HMD Global has announced its new entry-level smartphone in China called Nokia C3 with classic old design. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia C3 supports a 5.99-inch IPS display with HD Plus resolution. Under the hood, the phone is powered by an octa-core 1.6 GHz processor, which is likely a part of UniSoC SC9863 chipset. The smartphone packs with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 128GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Nokia C3 features a single 8MP camera on the rear with f2.0 aperture, and there is also an LED flash present below the camera setup. For selfies, it has 5MP camera under the thick bezels on the top with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the device runs on Android 10 with custom skin on top. The handset comes equipped by 3040 mAh battery with 5W charging, and the company claims to offer 31 hours of audio playback and 7 hours of video playback. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with Express Key button that lets you quickly launch Google Assistant or other apps. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.9 by 77 by 8.69 mm, and it weighs around 184.5 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia C3 has been priced in China at 699 Chinese yuan, and it is now up for pre-orders in the country in Nordic blue and gold sand color options, and it will go on sale starting from August 13th. So, what do you guys think of this Nokia C3 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.